Hello, my name's Buster Birch and we're here at BYMT Jazz School at Bromley Music Hub in South East London, where we run regular improvisation workshops. This iBook is aimed at students who are less experienced at improvising or maybe have never done it before, and it follows a very simple four-step process that I've developed over the last few years through all the workshops that I've been doing. The method of this book is based on simply turning a scale into musical phrases. We start with a scale and we actually take very small steps and end up turning that into some melodic ideas and some musical sentences. Now, the problem with a lot of music education is that's where it stops. Most people, they learn the notes of the scale, they go up and down, and that's all they do with their scales. And what we're trying to do now is show you there's so much more you can do with those scales. And by taking these steps that we're going to do, we're going to turn that into some improvised melodies. Here we go, and. Fantastic, very good. And the idea is that we're breaking down this habit of starting all the scales from root to root and just going stepwise, as many people are taught. We're trying to get away from that habit. Yeah.
I like how this book's very easy to use. It really helps your improvisation. It gives you a range of keys and like different notes to play, and you don't have to plug it into anything. If you want to do it without an instrument, you can just use your headphones and just listen to it and repeat it.
And so now we've reached the final step in the process. We're going to play this blues using the backing tracks that's built into the book, and we're all going to play a little line each. Yeah, all right, lovely. And lovely. And yeah, one more. Here we go. And
probably out of 5, I'll probably give it a 6. I'd give it a 10.
I'd just give it 5 out of 5.
It's very good, isn't it?
It is, it's brilliant.